Hey guys, it's me again. I'm Radek from Dwomli, and today I will show you how to use artificial intelligence that we built in the previous lesson to predict the stock prices. Remember about thumb ups, about subscribing the channel, turning on notification, and we will be really happy if you will support us and share our channel with your friends. So we will be able to grow and create more videos for you. Tu, 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 tu. So today we will be building the prediction for the eye that we built and trained in the previous episode. We will prepare some data. Next we will build the matplotlib graph, so we will be able to compare if our eye can predict the results and everything is fine. Let's start. As the first step, we need to prepare data for prediction. We will pass the data from the last month and like rest of the data. And here we will concatenate all of the arrays and we'll create like pandas data frame. Of course, we will take only open values. And now we need to reshape the data. Of course, because our eye was trained on the scaled data, we need to scale it again if we would like to do predictions. Here we need to take 20 elements that we will use for prediction. We'll take from 120 until 140, so it will be 20 elements, but this 120 means like it's a data for the 6 months, like 6 times 20. Here we need to create 3D array and reshape again. Now we can create the function that we will use for doing prediction. We will use just model.predict method, and next we will need to inverse from scaled data, so we will be able to have data that will be human friendly and we will be able to read that. Here we will create the function that we will use to create graph to compare the predicted prices and the real prices. Next we will use matplotlib to create the graph. We will use green for the real prices and orange color for the predicted ones. So we will see on the graph if I can predict at least close to the real prices. Now, as we did in method train.i, we will pack all of the logic inside the function predict. And now we can start prediction. Now we will test it. We need to wait a bit until all of the epochs will finish, and we will see how the AI will work. Of course, if you will tune it, you will get better results. Please give us your settings in the comments. I think it's very possible you will get much better results if you will wait longer time for that. Okay, epochs are finished. Let's take a look on the results. So it's a bit different, but as you can see, the trend is kind of correct. Of course, I didn't predict that big growth of the price, but it looks like it's a bit fine. Don't forget to tune it and give us in the comment your results. We will be really happy. Congratulations, your AI is ready. Congratulations! Now you have artificial intelligence that can predict stocks. Remember, it's not always 100% smart yet, so you will need to tune it and train, experiment and see until AI will be super smart and will be ready to be really close to the reality. Now it's fine, we can see the trends, everything looks as it's working, but I think we could tune up it and have it much better. If you like the video, give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, share it with your friends so you'll be able to support us, and if you would like to have more episodes of the Python and AI course, let's agree if will be 30 thumbs ups, we will create the next episode, we will see you really like our video and you like to have it more. See you in the next videos.